Today I'll be showing you how I make my own version of vitamin B3 serum or niacinamide serum, just like the big brands. Girl, the moment you start to use a vitamin B3 serum, you will never go back. Like, this is all in one. It clears dark spots. It treats hyperpigmentation. It treats pimples. It closes your large pores. It gives you shining face. Like, it's all in there. Like, I don't know what is inside that ingredient, but that ingredient is a lifesaver. So I'll be keeping this formula as simple as possible. We are using distilled water as the solvent in this formulation. If you have hydrosols like cucumber hydrosol, rose hydrosols, aloe vera hydrosol, those hydrosols that treat certain condition, you can use it. At this point, I don't have anything on my face and I'm using this serum on my face, so I'll just, like I said, keep this formula simple for you to easily do it at home. So that is our distilled water right there, and then we'll be measuring our key ingredient, which is our niacinamide powder. Niacinamide powder, if you're having oily skin, if you're having dry skin, if you're having normal skin, any skin type you have, this niacinamide powder work for you. Like, it will work for you. So I'll leave all the measurements on the screen for you to see, so just relax and keep watching. So this formula is very simple. I have like tons of recipes on how I make niacinamide serum, but this is basic and simple and is effective, so just thank me. Okay. So we are just dissolving our niacinamide in our distilled water. It's water soluble. It's so easy to dissolve, so you will see. Some people like to heat this at this stage. Like, girl, you don't have to. This powder will dissolve on its own, and I feel like heating it is reducing some benefit of this powder. So please, if you are formulating your niacinamide serum and dissolving, like heating niacinamide with water, it's time for you to stop, because I feel like the effectiveness is reducing. Like, you are reducing the effectiveness of your serum right there. So our next ingredient is vegetable glycerin. Is here to add moisture to this serum, so it's very important. You don't want to remove it in this formulation. So all the ingredients that I use or I'll be using in this formulation are simple and basic. You don't need to remove anything, please, if you want to make this. Before someone will come and start saying I made it and it's not effective, the ingredients are simple and basic, and trust me when I say this serum is good to go. So our next ingredient is Germa Plus preservative. You do want to preserve your serum. Though I'm making small batch, I don't even need to preserve it, but then I have to show you that you need to preserve your serum if you're making large quantity for sale. Like, so that is our Germa Plus right there. You can use any other preservative if you have, or to Fem Plus and all of that. So this serum will help with your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, pimples, dull skin, large pores, you name it. Niacinamide powder or niacinamide ingredient is very good when it comes to treating your face condition. So I always advise, when you want to treat your face, please go for organic. Like, go for simple organic ingredients. Look, let me tell you, organic products work. There are some people that abuse organic. They don't know how to formulate organic skincare product. They just mix the organic product and it will end up giving issues to people. Here I'm just trying to, take the pH of it before I continue. And it gave me the right pH rate is 6. I love it. I'll work with it. So here I will just put in my hyaluronic acid. If you have hyaluronic acid powder, you can use it at this point. I'm using the liquid hyaluronic acid. This ingredient will help to thicken the formula, will help to, add more moisture, plump the skin, and all of that is very good in this formulation. So you do want to use it, like you have to use it. Good. So as I was saying, people that say organic product don't work is because, how will I put it? Comfort ahanu ensari. Sorry, I have to use my language. Seriously, you are using the wrong organic product. Trust me, organic products revive your skin. Even if you bleach your skin and damage your skin, organic product, like real organic product, revive back the integrity of your skin. So always treat your skin condition first before going for whitening or lightening. It's very important because you can whiten your face or lighten your face and the spots and hyperpigmentation are still there. Like, so what's the use? Like, I don't see any point of doing that. So always, like I said, always try to treat your skin condition first before going for anything fancy, because lightening or whitening is fancy, right? Good. So our pH is supposed to be around 5 to 7. That is the best pH for niacinamide serum. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. 4, I know, is the right pH for our skin, right? But in this formulation, on niacinamide serum, 5 to 7 is the best pH. There it work better. Like the ingredient work best at that pH. That's the reason why I don't even incorporate any other powders for us to get the right pH of this ingredient. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. So as you can see, we have gotten the right consistency. I like the consistency like this, not too thick, not too watery. You can decide to leave your serum like this, plain crystal clear, but like I said, we are copying the big brands, right? So we are using some coloring, just little bit of color to give it that pinkish final look. Of course, we are using pink color. Feel free to use any color of your choice: green, yellow, orange, any color of your choice. So we do train on how to formulate skincare product from scratch, pro-mixing, all sort of skincare product. There is link in our description box where you chat us directly to WhatsApp. So I'm just trying to not over color our production, so I'm trying it bit by bit. So you do want to do that. You don't want to put too much color, as that it will make the production not fine. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We have tons of videos on skincare formulation in this channel. Do well to check it out and be grateful, right? So at this point, I feel that we have gotten what we want. So any skin type can use this, being it dry, oily, combination, sensitive, it doesn't matter. Like, check this out. Like, can you see this? Very, very beautiful. Yeah, so if you want it more thick, you can always add your hyaluronic acid. I prefer it like this. I don't want it to be that, thick. So that is why. So you can always adjust your hyaluronic acid to give you that more thick consistency, right? So that is all. Look how pretty this is. I love this serum. So thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.